Well, things have finally simmered down as far as that daily shower and storm chance. For your Monday, we'll have a very low threat for just maybe some isolated showers and storms into the heat of the afternoon. If you look at early this morning, there's a little bit scooting across the mountains just outside the viewing area. So outside Kentucky, I should say, and the viewing area in general. So we're in good shape. Now, the big story over the next couple of days is the fact that we're going to put this to bed. Notice how a lot of the reporting stations don't show much in the way of precipitation, but you have these pops of green. Just because it didn't register didn't mean it didn't rain. There are some folks that did get swamped with locally heavy rain from some of those cells even yesterday. It was on and off all weekend long, but extremely hit or miss. So as far as the future track is concerned for today, there's that isolated shower storm chance out there into the afternoon, and that's really about it. High pressure is going to take over. So for today, tomorrow, and into Wednesday, all we're talking about is heat, gradually likely spiking in the low 90s by Wednesday. But notice the moisture in the cloud cover rising down south midweek. There's going to be a lot going on later this week, and not just down toward the Gulf Coast. Our precipitation chance ramps up Friday into Saturday, and that could be the remnants of Laura. As far as rainfall is concerned, it could get heavy later this week, but at the moment, Tropical Storm Marco, that blast of cloud cover there, and then, of course, the more prominent feature, Tropical Storm Laura, as you get down towards eastern Cuba there. So Marco is going to set the stage and swamp parts of the Gulf Coast with heavy rain, and then it'll be followed up by the much more potent system, which could very well be a hurricane at landfall. We're talking about Laura. So the future track, as far as the National Hurricane Center forecast track is concerned, by Tuesday, Wednesday, it is potentially making landfall late Wednesday into early Thursday. And they've got it as a Category 2 hurricane between Houston and New Orleans right there on the Gulf Coast. But notice how it recurves, and then the remnant low of that track right across the heart of the Commonwealth. So we have the potential Friday into Saturday to see some remnant low tropical moisture associated with it. This is the potential rainfall, obviously the heaviest and the highest potential for flash flooding and everything else that goes along with it down toward the Gulf Coast. But we could end up with maybe an inch and a half precipitation. Of course, it's way out there. The storm's still down towards Cuba. There's a lot of ifs associated with that later in the week, but definitely within that realm of possibilities. The dew point and the temperature match. It is muggy out there. We've got some fog forming into our southeastern counties. There's the heat spike, and there's the temperature dip later this weekend as the cloud cover increases. And, well, there you can see it reflected in your 8-day forecast. It's a week cut in half, literally. Hot and muggy through midweek, and then cooler, unsettled, potentially wetter as you head into the upcoming weekend.